Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to reset rotation in Blender. In this tutorial, I will use the default cube. I select the cube and rotate. I use the trackball and click and drag to rotate, something like this. Next, if we want to reset the rotation, we can select the object and then press Alt-R to reset it. Or we can go to Objects and Clear. We can use Clear Rotation. Click it to reset the rotation. Or we can go to the Object Properties. We can run Rotation. We can click and drag to select all the value in X, Y, and Z and press 0 and press Enter to reset the rotation to 0 degree. So this is how we can reset rotation in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.